Question 5 comes in two parts. First, we need to explain how we know that D, A, and E are collinear. In other words, how do we know that these 3 points are all on the same line? So we're going to do this in 3 parts. The first is because this triangle right here, ABC, because we know it's congruent to the other triangles, we can start to make some connections. So we've got this angle A, which has some measure. Let's call this one, I don't know, let's call these 3 angle measures, I don't know, X, Y, and Z. Say they have that many degrees. Okay? Because angle A is congruent to angle B, and angle B is congruent to angle A, and angle C is congruent to angle D, we can do something like this. If this angle in here is X degrees, then after the rotation, because we're going to take this triangle, we're going to rotate it, this angle in here is also X degrees. Okay? We can do the same thing over here. If we take this triangle right here and we rotate it after the rotation, this angle in here is also going to be Z degrees. Okay? So we're going to say because of the congruence statement that we know up here, the measure of this angle, angle ABC, is congruent to angle BAD. Okay, these are the ones that are both the X, right? So the X degrees here is equal to the X degrees over there. And we can do the same thing for over here. We can do angle BCA congruent to angle BCA EAC. And these are the Y's. Okay? Or sorry, these are the Z's. Okay, so these right here. Now, the second piece is we know from Unit 1, Lesson 21, that the 3 angles together inside of a triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. This is triangle angle sum theorem. Okay, so that's triangle angle sum theorem. Now, since x plus y plus z equals 180, up here we also have x plus y plus z going, so because these 3 right here are adding up to 180 degrees, that means that DAE has to be a straight line. So we're going to say that angle DAE, the measure of angle DAE, equals 180 degrees, so DA and E are collinear. So that takes us to this statement. They're collinear because they have to be on the same line, because these 3 angles right here add up to 180 degrees.